Walking apps that pay you sound like free money. Some genuinely are, in a small way. Others are built so you basically never reach a payout. I actually did the math on one, and it came out to 160,000 steps for one single dollar. Let me show you the real step-by-step, how to pick the right apps, and how to spot the ones designed to waste your time. Now, quick reality check before anything else. These apps will not replace an income. Realistically, across most legit walking apps, you're looking at $5 to $40 a month. That's the honest range. Enough to cover a coffee habit or a streaming subscription, funded by steps you were taking anyway. This is not a salary, and this is not a get-rich-quick scheme or whatever, things like that. So just go in with that expectation, and this becomes a genuinely nice bonus. And now let's build the actual system step by step. Now, step number one is to decide what kind of reward you actually want, because these apps split into three categories. Cash apps pay real dollars straight to PayPal or your bank. WeWard, this one on the screen right now, and Evidation are the main ones here. Now, gift card apps reward you in points redeemable for cards. Amazon, Starbucks, that kind of thing. Sweatcoin and CashWalk lead this category. Crypto apps pay in tokens you trade for cash on an exchange. This is a higher upside on paper, but real volatility. And some, like this one, STEPN, actually require you to buy an NFT sneaker before you can even start earning. That's real money at risk before you walked a single step. If you're not already comfortable with crypto, skip this lane entirely. Just pick based on what you actually want. If you just want cash showing up in PayPal, that decision alone points you straight to WeWard. And this is WeWard, as you can see, and you've got it on the App Store and Google Play. The ratings are pretty good. And step number two, don't download 10 random apps. Just pick one solid one per category you're interested in. Now, for cash, as I've told you, WeWard is a standout. It converts steps into points called wards. It's redeemable for real PayPal cash. Realistic earnings sit around $3 to $12 a month for a consistent daily walker. For gift cards, Sweatcoin is the biggest name in the space, over 190 million downloads. One real 90-day test came out to 720,000 steps, turning into about $12 in gift cards. Only outdoor GPS-verified steps count on this one, which matters if you're on a treadmill a lot. If you want the fastest first payout, CashWalk, this one right here, has one of the lowest cash out minimums around, just $5, and pays Amazon cards quickly. Now, install one from each category that actually interests you. That's your starting lineup. Now, step three, and it's a practical one, connect your phone properly, or better, a dedicated tracker. Some apps only count steps loosely through your phone's motion sensor, and accuracy can generally be inconsistent. Steps not registering, totals looking off. So if you have a Fitbit, Apple Watch, or similar device, sync it. It reads more reliably than your phone alone. Now, this matters because inaccurate tracking isn't just annoying, it directly costs you money on apps that pay per step. Get the tracking right first before you worry about anything else. Now, step four, and it's the smartest move in this whole guide, run several apps at the same time. Your phone's step counter can be read by multiple apps simultaneously. They don't interfere with each other. So the exact same walk to the store can earn you wards on WeWard, Sweatcoins on Sweatcoin, and points on CashWalk, all from one walk. Running 2 or 3 apps at once for zero extra effort meaningfully increases your total monthly earnings. Now, this is the single biggest lever you have in this whole system. Now, step number 5, and this is the one that separates a legit app from a waste of time. Actually calculate the real rate before you commit, and here's a real example of why this matters. I looked into an app called Walkify, and it converts 100 steps into 1 coin, and then it takes 1.6 thousand coins to earn just $1. Do that math all the way through, and it comes out to about 160,000 steps to earn a single dollar. Now, that's roughly 110 or 130 kilometers or like 80 miles of walking for $1. Now, that's not me talking nonsense. This is the trap. A lot of apps show you a big, exciting number, 1,000 coins for this task, 5,000 for that one, without ever showing you clearly what those coins are actually worth in real money. And it feels exciting until you sit down and do the conversion yourself. So here's a rule. Before you trust any walk-in app, find two numbers. How many steps or coins equal $1? And what's the actual cash out minimum? Legit apps generally sit in a reachable range, often needing just $1 to $10 worth of points to cash out. If an app needs an absurd number just to unlock a tiny payout, that's usually a design choice, not an accident. It keeps people grinding without ever actually reaching a payout. Now, do the same napkin math on any app before you spend real time in it. It takes 2 minutes and saves you weeks. So yeah, these are the honest tips. Now, step number 6 is to watch for the other red flags. A couple more honest warnings while you're evaluating apps. Never pay anything up front. If an app wants a membership fee before you can start earning, that's the scam pattern. Full stop. Real walk-in apps are free to join. And please be skeptical of any app promising huge daily payouts. $100 a day for walk-in simply isn't mathematically possible for the reasons we just walked through. If you see that claim, it's either a scam or a course being sold on top of it. And yeah, also, expect a lot of ads. Most free walk-in apps run on ad revenue, and some are more aggressive about it than others. Popping up between every screen you tap, it is annoying, but not itself a scam signal. Just factor it into which app you actually enjoy using daily. There are going to be ads. They have to make money with it. So yeah, we just have to live with it. Now, step number 7, and it is really simple. Don't let your points just sit there. Check each app's payout schedule and redeem consistently instead of hoarding points for months. Apps change reward structures and cash out terms over time, so banking your earnings regularly protects you from any surprise changes down the line. Just stay on top of it all the time. And I'm going to be straight with you, like always, in the bottom line. Walk-in apps genuinely pay, the legit ones at least. But the honest range is $5 to $40 a month, and that's with several apps stacked together, not one. The real skill here isn't picking the flashiest app. It's doing the 2-minute math before you commit any real time. So you invest your walks into apps that actually convert fairly, and not ones quietly designed so you never reach the payout. And there's a lot of these apps. Treat this as a nice bonus layered onto a habit you already have or want to build anyway. So just go in with that mindset, and it's genuinely worth doing. As I've told you, it could pay for your Spotify or YouTube Premium or, I don't know, Netflix, Disney, whatever. But don't expect you're going to get rich off of this. So yeah, that's the real step-by-step. Just pick your reward type, install one strong app per category, and stack a few together, and always check the real math first. Yeah, just install one app today. Do the 2-minute calculation before you trust it, and that's how this starts. Go take a walk now, and I wish you good luck. I'll catch you in the next one.